One of the objectives of the AFP Transformation Roadmap is for us to transform the AFP in its current state to a world-class armed forces. And of course, with that comes along the capability advancement that we want to achieve. Part of that advancement is trying to get in the latest weapon systems that are out there, enough for us to develop a deterrent effect. So one of the modern weapons are, of course, the missile systems. In fact, we already have the BrahMos mid-range missile systems. We are wanting to get more of the latest weapon systems. That includes the mid-range capability. So as early as now, while we don't have them yet, just like what we did with the Stingers, with the Javelins, we start training already, even if we don't have them in our inventory. So the objective is for us to train together with our strategic ally on the use of modern weapon systems. That is why we are very thankful that the United States comes to the Philippines every year during Balikatan exercise, not just during Balikatan exercises, but the other exercises, bringing with them the latest weapon systems that they have, so that they could also expose the Philippine forces on the use of these modern weapons.